guys, now I'm going to show you how to export your 3D model with a texture from Cinema4D to Unity. So let's open your Cinema4D and let's create a single shape, like simple shape like cube, and let's create a new material. Let's call it like let's rename it to like cube material. Okay, and let's pick some color. Maybe this will be fine. So now we have a colored cube. Make sure you don't have any light or camera objects here, only cube, only your shape. And second we need to do is to go objects, bake object, and select the format. I will use PNG with 16 bits per channel and click these three dots to pick the destination folder where the texture will be saved. And you also can edit this width and height, but I will leave it by default. And also you need to click single texture, and all you guys need to do is to click bake. So this is your texture. Click close, and after this remove your initial cube, so only the generated cube live on the scene. Next you need to do is to click file, export, and click FBX. So just give it a cute name like my object, and pick your destination folder, click save. So I'm using 7.5 version, the latest one. Make sure the cameras is unselected, and I will leave it as it is. Click OK, and as you can see I have this texture on my desktop and this 3D model as my FBX file. So let's put it to Unity. Open your Unity instance, and in the project tree let's create a folder with like model named, and let's drag and drop this here. So now we have a cube, but it looks not like green cube here, it looks gray. So why? To fix it, to make this cube also green, so with this texture you need to do several things, like drag and drop this texture to your project tree, and right click this space, create material, name it like my material, and drag and drop this texture to your albedo. So now you have a material, and simply drag and drop this material onto your cube. So now your cube looks like this, so like that. Okay guys, thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel.